The sliding scale of evidence. What does that mean? My name is Rachel King. I'm a strategic litigator. And when it comes to going to court, going to trial, putting evidence before the court, I use something called the sliding scale of evidence. So what does that mean? That means that we have this certain amount of evidence that we available to prove our point or to tell the story. We can use all of it, or we can use none of it, right? And where we are, how much we use or don't use, is the sliding scale. And some people might be thinking, well, of course you would always use all of the evidence that you have to prove your case. But here's the thing. Some of the considerations are strategy. What is our point? We want to make sure that we're making our main points as strong as possible and not getting them bogged down with some of the finer details that may help. They may be right for our side, but they may not really be that impactful on the overall story. Other things to consider is this redundant evidence? Are we going to have 6 witnesses, all that could testify to the same thing, do so? Or are there certain witnesses or certain ways to get evidence in that are better? So when I'm looking at a case, of course, I consider strategy as a strategic litigator, and I'm looking at where on that sliding scale we want to be with regard to all of the evidence that we have. And really that is I consider that on a case-by-case basis, looking at my client's goals, my client's finances, how much are they able to pay and devote monetarily to their case, and also what timing restrictions we have. My 4 resources that I always consider in a case are some of the things that I use when determining my sliding scale of evidence.